Hey guys, it's Dr. Tom Chaney here from Living Health Integrative Medicine in Annapolis, back with another video in our series on type 2 diabetes, and we're going over the common causes that we see for type 2 diabetics coming into our office looking to reverse type 2 diabetes. In my last video I talked about food sensitivities. In this video I want to talk about and discuss gut health and why gut health is important in helping to regulate blood sugars. And I want to go through this research paper and the conclusions on this research paper before we get into the mechanisms. And this is a 2016 research paper, and the conclusion of this paper, it showed that regardless of obesity status in the subject, so it didn't matter if they were overweight or not, if they had an unhealthy gut, they had elevated blood sugars. So that's super important, because I have so many patients that come in and what they've been told is that they need to lose weight, and weight is the cause of their condition. Yet this research paper is showing that regardless of obesity status, whether these subjects were overweight or not, that if they had an unhealthy gut, they were going to have elevated blood sugars. So just losing weight for these subjects was not going to fix the underlying root cause of why they had high blood sugar. So let me go through and just talk about how that could happen and why that's important. So we start with a healthy gut, and a healthy gut includes a diversity of microbes and bacteria. You know, this is where your immune system resides. Most of your immune system resides there, and we know that more and more research is showing that the health of your gut is really a reflection of overall health. Now, the health of your gut can be affected by several different factors, and I'm going to go over a few of the factors, like stress. Stress can it can impact a healthy gut. Medications, especially like antibiotics. Antibiotics wipe out the good and the bad bacteria, but you got to think of other prescriptions as well. And toxins. Toxins in our food, toxins in things we're drinking and consuming. So these can all of these factors and others can affect the health of your gut, creating an unhealthy gut. And an unhealthy gut is going to lead you susceptible to things like infections, which can create inflammation, create food sensitivities, and we know that this effect, this unhealthy gut, can then lead to insulin resistance. That's what the research is showing, is it creates insulin resistance in the system, and we know that the more insulin resistant you become, the higher your sugars are going to go, and that's how we have elevated blood sugar as a result of an unhealthy gut. So this is something you really have to consider. If you're a type 2 diabetic, you have to consider the health of your gut. Now in the next video we're going to cover some of these other factors. So I hope you're getting some great information out of these videos, and we'll see you in the next video.